In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of SMS marketing for your Shopify store to connect with your customers and increase your sales. First, let's dive into setting up SMS notifications in Shopify. It's essential to enable SMS notifications for your customers, and you can start this process in your Shopify admin. Navigate to the Settings section, then click on Checkout, and there you'll find the Customer Contact Method option. Here, you can choose how you want to collect contact information, either phone numbers or email addresses, during the customer's checkout process. For those focusing solely on SMS marketing, there's an option to allow only SMS signups during this stage. As we move to the next step, building your SMS subscriber list, it's crucial to understand the importance of obtaining explicit consent from your customers. This isn't just best practice, it's a legal requirement. To make your SMS list enticing, consider offering incentives for signups. This might include discounts, early access to sales, or other perks that would motivate your customers to opt in. Sign-up forms can be integrated across multiple platforms, whether on your website, within your email newsletters, or even through social media campaigns. Additionally, using a short code, which is a 5 or 6-digit number, can be an effective way to encourage subscriptions. You could choose a keyword like hot sauce and ask customers to text it to your short code to subscribe. Now, let's talk about creating and sending effective SMS campaigns. The success of your campaigns will hinge on careful planning. Start by determining your goals, whether they're for new product announcements, flash sales, or reminders for abandoned carts, and tailor your messages to meet these aims. Craft messages that are concise, clear, and engaging. Always include a clear call to action, such as shop now or click here, to inspire immediate interaction. Another critical aspect is segmenting your audience. By targeting specific customer groups based on factors like demographics or purchase history, you can ensure that your messages resonate more effectively. Consider automating parts of your SMS campaigns to streamline your efforts. Shopify apps and other tools can be particularly useful for setting up automated messages, such as abandoned cart reminders or welcome messages. It's also important to familiarize yourself with the regulations governing SMS marketing, like the TCPA in the United States and the CAN-SPAM Act. These laws are in place to ensure ethical practices in SMS marketing. Lastly, be sure to respect opt-out requests from your customers. Make it simple for them to unsubscribe from your SMS list by including instructions, such as reply stop to unsubscribe in your messages. By diligently following these steps, you can use SMS marketing as a powerful tool to enhance your customer communication, drive engagement, and ultimately boost sales on your Shopify store.